Welcome to the educational module Introduction to the Internet of Things of Sending VET program. The current section introduces Smart Home IoT environment. Smart Home. A smart home is a residence that uses internet-connected devices to enable remote monitoring and management of appliances and systems. A smart home's devices are connected with each other and accessible through one central point: a smartphone, tablet, laptop or game console. A smart home system can make the life of the user quite easy. Each smart device included in the house is connected and able to be used from anywhere by a smartphone. The first thing you need to start creating a smart home is a dedicated internet connection. The first IoT device to be installed is a smart hub, where every smart device can connect and be controlled through. The system can start from energy management, where the power system is controlled and managed in a way to cut down the power consumption. Just like the power, the user can control the water management system. Additionally, the security management system can be a part as well, where the security of the house is controlled by the user itself. Anything that can be imagined to automate or want to make our life easier can be a part of smart home, a smartphone system as well. With a smart hub, the users are able to connect all of their connected gadgets and control them from one app, instead of using many. A smart hub works as the nerve center of the home automation system, that is able to tie all of the smart devices together. A smart device is able to connect through the internet to the hub, and the hub is connected to the smartphone application, where the user is able to control it. Energy and electricity usage has always been a concern for home and business owners. The use of smart devices gives the user the possibility to measure the energy consumed. The benefit of this procedure is that based on the smart device it is possible to gather information on where, when and how much energy is used, which can result reducing the consumption and generally the costs. To be able and monitor the energy usage, someone need to install IoT devices in their homes. This makes the home from a traditional one to smart and will provide detailed information about the energy consumption. These devices can be divided into categories based on the device it is used to monitor, into smart thermostat and water management. Smart thermostat. A smart thermostat is a thermostat that can be used with home automation and is responsible for controlling the heating and or the air conditioning of the home. This device works as a sensor and uses a Wi-Fi connectivity. It allows the user to control the heating and/or air conditioning from other internet-connected devices, like smartphones and laptops. This allows the users to control the thermostat remotely, and the device collects data about the internal or external temperature, the time of the system running, as well as alert the need of air filter replacement. The Ecobee smart thermostat with voice control is a smart thermostat, which features include Alexa support, a touch display, a remote room sensor, and interoperability with lots of other smart home devices. The GE Energy Star 115-volt electronic room air conditioner AHC08Li is an 8,000 BTU EFI-enabled window unit that you can control with your phone or with your voice. It also uses your phone's location services to cool down rooms in your home before you arrive and offers flexible scheduling options and energy usage reports. A smart water management system provides a more resilient and efficient water supply system. The main goal is to reduce costs and improve sustainability. In order to achieve this, the water section needs to be expanded with the use of high-technology solutions using IoT devices. These devices include digital meters and sensors, supervisory control and data acquisition, SCADA systems, and geographic information systems, GIS. Smart Security Management System. A smart security management system uses wireless technology, home networks and the prevalence of smartphones in order to integrate the security. From door sensors to wireless CCTV footage, a smart security system means that the users are able to customize, monitor, and manage their security systems anywhere and at any time, from their smartphone device. This category consists of smart locks and smart home security systems, as well as smart surveillance cameras. A smart lock is an electromechanical lock that is designed to perform locking and unlocking operations on a door when the instructions are received from an authorized smart device. This authorization process is done with the use of a wireless protocol and a cryptographically key. Additionally, it can monitor access and sends alerts for different events it monitors, as well as other critical events related to the status of the device. This type of locks are installed on the simple type ones and as a result upgrade the ordinary one. Smart camera are machine vision systems that are capable to extract specific information based on the application from the captured image and at the same time to generate events descriptions or making decisions that are used in an intelligent and automated system. Besides helping the thieves away from their home, August Smart Lock is a proven reliable security IoT device, which allows the user to manage their doors from any location hassle-free. Allo Ultra is an outdoor camera that streams and records video in true 4K, or Ultra High Definition, UHD. It includes automatic zooming, motion tracking, color night vision, an integrated spotlight and siren, one-click 911 connectivity, a 180-degree field of view, etc. Smart lighting. Smart lighting is a lighting technology designed especially for energy efficiency. In other words, smart lighting is lighting that can be controlled from a smartphone application. The smart lighting system consists of smart bulbs that are wirelessly connected between them. These bulbs are controlled either by a master bulb or a smart hub. The application enables the user to change the brightness of the bulbs, as well as the colors of it, only when the bulbs have colored LEDs. The user is also able to create a schedule or even create different lighting combinations for specific occasions. The Philips Hue line delivers with bulbs that let you control not only the intensity of the light, but also the color. The Whiz bulb is a white LED light that can be controlled by voice, phone, and lots of other smart home devices. Smart home appliances. Smart home appliances are specialized equipment programmed to run from a central system. Any domestic device can be a smart appliance. Each device is connected to the internet and the users can control it through an application of their smartphones. The Amazon Basics microwave is a small, simple microwave oven that can respond to Alexa voice commands. This smart refrigerator not only stores food but is able to set expiration notifications for the food stored, plan meals based on the available ingredients in it and see the content inside it from anywhere. Photos can be shared and calendars on the screen can be synced, as well as be able to control smart home devices like lights, thermostats, and doorbells, and stream music, with voice commands. The Ecovacs D-Bot N79S robot vacuum is a powerful cleaning device with app control and Alexa voice command support. The Dyson's V11 Torque Drive is a smart cordless stick vacuum that can automatically detect the type of surface and switch the motor speed accordingly, in order to blend right the power and battery life. An LCD on top of the handle shows remaining battery life, down to the second, your current power mode, reminds you to clean the filter, and tells you how to clear any blockages. The ability to manage all home devices from one place and more specifically one device is the most convenience factor of smart home. By keeping all the technology in your home connected through one interface is a massive step forward for technology and home management. Theoretically, all you'll have to do is learn how to use one app on your smartphone and tablet, and you'll be able to tap into countless functions and devices throughout your home. Smart home systems tend to be wonderfully flexible when it comes to the accommodation of new devices and appliances and other technology. No matter how state-of-the-art your appliances seem today, there will be newer, more impressive models developed as time goes on. By using security and surveillance features in the smart home network, it maximizes the home security. It is also possible to receive security alerts on various devices, as well as monitoring the activities in real time, from wherever the user is. All smart home function can be controlled from a distance. On an exceptionally hot day, you can order your house to become cooler in just enough time before you get home from work. If you're in a hurry to get dinner started but you're still at the store, you can have your oven start to preheat while you're still on your way home. You can even check to see if you left the lights on, who is at your front door, or make sure you turned off all your media while you're away. The energy efficiency is increased depending on how the smart home technology is used. For example, you can have more precise control over the heating and cooling of your home with a programmable smart thermostat that learns your schedule and temperature preferences, and then suggests the best energy-efficient settings throughout the day. Lights and motorized shades can be programmed to switch to an evening mode as the sun sets, or lights can turn on and off automatically when you enter or leave the room, so you never have to worry about wasting energy. Smart homes can help by running all appliances better. A smart TV will help you find better apps and channels to locate your favorite programming. A smart oven will assist you with cooking your chicken to perfection without ever worrying about overcooking or undercooking it. An intelligently designed home theater and audio system can make managing your movie and music collection effortless when entertaining guests. Ultimately, connecting your appliances and other systems with automation technology will improve your appliance effectiveness and overall make your home life much more easier and enjoyable. It is able to have a home management insights based on how the home operates. For example, it can monitor how often you watch TV, and what you watch, what kind of meals you cook in your oven, the type of foods you keep in your refrigerator, and your energy consumption habits over time. From these insights, it is able to analyze the daily habits and behaviors and make adjustments to live the lifestyle of your desire. Man in the middle is a security risk referring to an attacker that is able to breach, interrupt or spoof the communication between two systems. For example, fake temperature data generated by an environmental monitoring device can be spoofed and forwarded to the cloud. Similarly, an attacker can disable vulnerable vac systems during a heat wave, creating a disastrous scenario for service providers with affected models. Data and identity theft is another security risk that comes with the scenario of smart homes. Smart appliances and wearables that are unprotected and generate data are easy targets for cyber attackers. Cyber attackers are provided with an ample amount of targeted personal information that can be exploited for fraudulent transactions or even identify theft. Device hijacking is one of the most common security risks in smart home scenarios. In this case, an attacker is able to hijack and effectively assume control of the device. These attackers are quite difficult to detect due to the fact that the attacker is not changing the basic functionality of the device. Moreover, it only takes one device to potentially reinfect all smart devices in the home. For example, an attacker who initially compromises a thermostat can theoretically gain access to an entire network and remotely unlock a door or change the keypad PIN code to restrict entry. The most known security risk is the distributed denial of service attack, which are rising rapidly, primarily due to the lack of security in IoT devices. A disk operating system attack interferes with the computer hardware by slowing it, temporarily disrupting it, or shutting it down completely. One of the two assaults is a massive cyber attack from a remote source that temporarily or permanently cripples the equipment. This type of attack attempts to render a machine or network resource unavailable to its intended users by temporarily or indefinitely disrupting services of a host connected to the Internet. In the case of a distributed denial of service attack, DOS, incoming traffic flooding a target originates from multiple sources, making it difficult to stop the cyber offensive by simply blocking a single source. In fact, DOS attacks are rising rapidly, primarily due to the lack of security in IoT devices. The MRI-botnet attack was a massive distributed DOS attack that left much of the Internet inaccessible on the US East Coast. A disk operating system attack interferes with the computer hardware by slowing it, temporarily disrupting it, or shutting it down completely. One of the two assaults is physical, that damages a hardware device to the extent it cannot be used again, and the data is lost. The last security risks of the concept of smart home is the permanent denial of service attack, which is also known as flashing. This attack damages the device so badly that it requires a full replacement or reinstallation of hardware. This type of attack is conducted by a person in attendance. In the current presentation we have presented what constitutes a smart home environment. The possibilities are endless and keep increasing with technological advances. Having a smart home makes life easier, nevertheless, it also entails security and privacy risks. This concludes the presentation on smart homes.